Hello everybody, it's Sanjaya from Wedge. Hope you're staying safe and healthy. Today we are going to do Sable En Papillote. So traditionally a French dish that is made with salmon, meaning cooked in parchment paper. So today we are going to use sable fish, or you can use really any kind of fish that you have in your freezer. And I hope you enjoy. So for ingredients, we have onion and garlic to start with, then capers. If you have gherkins, you can use gherkins as well, and olives. Like I've used black olives today, but any kind of olive really works. And cherry tomatoes, you can use regular tomatoes. I have some fresh tarragon here. You can use dry tarragon as well. A little bit of butter, some white wine, and olive oil. So let's get started. We're going to start in medium heat. Get the pan hot before you put any oil in it. Start with oil. And about 2 tablespoons of onion. I'm going to saute a little bit before you put in the garlic. Add about a teaspoon of garlic. If you like more, you can add more. While the onions are starting to brown, I'm going to add the capers. About 2 teaspoons and about 2 teaspoons of black olive. And while that gets some color, there's about 10 cherry tomatoes here. Let it cook down a little bit till the tomatoes are really soft and there's some liquid coming out of them. It'll take probably about 6 to 8 minutes. The tomatoes are soft. I'm going to add some white wine, about 200 milliliters. I'm going to let it reduce by about half. So while we reduce the wine with the tomatoes, we're going to get the sable fish into a big pan with the parchment paper on it. So this is almost ready. We're going to finish it off with about a couple of tablespoons of butter. And a little bit of tarragon. Add some salt and pepper. So this is done now, and I'm gonna squeeze about half a lemon just to round out the flavors. And now we are gonna add this mixture onto the fish. Try to get the tomatoes, capers, and the olives on first, and a little bit more liquid after that. And we're gonna fold this paper over it, and you're gonna try to seal it, like fold it overlapping. And we're gonna bake this at 325 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 8 minutes. So the fish is cooked. It's been 8 minutes in the oven, and we are gonna serve it just like this on the plate. Traditionally, it is opened in the restaurant at the table. So this is the finished en papillote. It took about 30 minutes from start to finish. Pretty easy dish to make. It's a fancy dish usually served in restaurants, but you can make this with whatever you have left over in your fridge. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.